In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center a button in Webflow in just 5 minutes. We're diving into a simple, yet essential design task that can enhance your website's user experience significantly. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience in Webflow, this tutorial will guide you through the process with ease. To begin, the first step is to log into your Webflow account. If you haven't yet created an account, now is the time to do so, but for today, we'll assume you're ready to go. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself in the friendly and intuitive Webflow dashboard, which serves as the command center for managing all your design projects. Next, you need to locate the specific project you wish to edit. In the dashboard, you'll see a list of your projects if you have multiple ones. Simply click on the project you're working on. This will open up the project editor, where all the creative magic happens. Once you're in the project editor, locate the button you want to center. If you haven't already added a button, you can easily do so by clicking on the plus sign to add elements. From the Elements panel, select the button option and place it onto your canvas. Now, with your button in place, pay attention to the Settings panel on the right side of the screen. The next step involves adjusting the spacing settings to center your button. This is where a bit of attention to detail is required. Look for the section titled Spacing in the Settings panel. Here, you will adjust the margin and padding settings. You might see input boxes or sliders representing the top, bottom, left, and right margins and paddings. What you want to do is set the left and right margins to auto. This tells Webflow to automatically calculate the necessary space on either side to perfectly center your button. If you're using a container or a grid, ensure the button is within a parent element that is appropriately sized to allow centering. Sometimes, centering is easier when you use a flexbox. Flexbox is a powerful layout tool in Webflow. By setting the parent element, like a div block, to flex and applying center alignment, your button will automatically center itself horizontally within that container. In summary, the key to centering a button lies in adjusting the spacing and understanding how Webflow's layout tools work. It's about a little tweak here and there. And voila! Your button is centered, and your design looks polished and professional. By following these steps, you've quickly learned how to center a button in Webflow. A seemingly simple task that can make a significant impact on your design's aesthetics and functionality. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing!